morning everyone. I hope you are doing best in the holidays. Our Honorable Director Vijay sir suggested us to guide you in all the way such that you will score good in the public examinations. I have seen most of you posting same doubts in the group. That's why I thought to make this video for you. I have seen most of you posting one doubt, that is why objects beyond 5 appear swaying. Why objects beyond 5 appears swaying. First of all, what is this swaying? Swaying means nothing but object will be moving here and there. Object will be moving to and fro. In our simple language, swaying is nothing but swinging. Swaying is nothing but swinging. See, there is a fire, and in front of the fire there is a person, there is an observer sitting in front of the fire. And if you take any object beyond the fire, if you take any object, this is an object, and here see a person who is sitting in front of the fire. For him, objects which are present beyond the fire, they appear as swinging. These objects appear as swinging. So why these objects appear as swinging? First thing is, we need to know that with the air which is present near the fire, its temperature will be more. It means that air will be very hot. It will be in very hot condition. Air will be hotter near the fire, and air which is present away from the fire, it will be in cold condition. Its temperature will be low. So hotter air, we know that is as the temperature of the air increases, density decreases. So for hotter air, density will be less. For colder air, density will be more. So due to these differences in the densities, of the air, what happens is refractive index of the air changes. Due to the difference in the density of the air, refractive index of the air changes. Due to this changing refractive index, light ray which is traveling from the fire, due to the changing refractive index, it will undergo refraction. Light ray which is traveling from the fire, it will travel through the air, but through the air there will be change in the density. When there is change in the density, there will be change in the refractive index. When there is change in the refractive index, when light ray is traveling through the air, it will undergo refraction. So light ray, instead of going straight in this way, it will undergo refraction like this. Light ray will undergo refraction like this, and this light ray will form image here. Whereas object is present here, image is forming here. So since there is an object here and there is an image here, for us it will appear as two images. It will appear as one object here and one image here. For us it will appear as object and image. Another image, similarly, light ray which is coming from the fire, it will travel like this and it will undergo refraction and it will form images here. Since there are number of images forming, so object will appear as swaying. So to be simple, the reason is due to difference in the density of the air, refractive index changes and total internal reflection takes place. Due to difference in the density of the air, refractive index changes and total internal reflection takes place. Hence, object appears swaying. So finally, the reason is due to temperature change, there will be difference in the density of the air, and refractive index changes, and hence total internal reflection takes place. This makes the object appear swaying. I hope it is clear. Pass.